Hi guys, so in today's video we'll go through classes and other object oriented programming. So basically we have this small script defined, so I'll go through each and every part of the syntax that will be helpful for you. Okay, so this is the class. Okay, class is nothing but a template of an object that you can create. Okay, so for me that template is that of a dog. Okay, it has name, it has breed, it has color. Okay, and inside these classes you can define different functions. Okay, so for example, one function you have to absolutely mandatorily define is the init function, right? Because in the init function it will basically assign the variable values that you want it to be accessed across the different functions of that class. Okay, so what I've done here is def init self name, that's the basic syntax. Then self dot name is named whatever is passed to this class object when it's formed. Then the breed, then the color, lab brown, and then there's something called print color. Okay, self. So inside the main function, what I've done is I have created an object. Okay, there are objects which I've defined earlier, which were integers, which were float, which were strings, but this is an object of type dog. Okay, so my pet dog variable will store an object, instance of the object dog class. Okay, so and then I'm passing the name which is required. My dog's name is Bria, so I'm passing Bria, and then I'm gonna print my pet dog dot print color. Okay, so even let me remove that, right? That even that's not required. So what I can do is my pet dog dot color, right? And if I run this, it says brown, right? So because you have defined the color as brown for any object that you create of type dog, and you have defined self dot color as brown, it will take brown and print that color, right? But if you want it to be dynamic, you have to give color here, right? So then what we can say is equal to color, right? And then I'm gonna pass black. See, black. So this time it took as an argument the black color, and it assigned it to the self dot color, and the object that got created through the class got assigned to the black color, right? So now using this object that you've created, which is an instance of the class, right, you can define other functions. For example, let's define something like describe dog. Okay, here I wanna always in any function inside the class you have to say the self argument, because that refers to the instance of the object created through the class. Okay, so let's say I wanna print that your dog is, and I'm gonna say self dot breed and of color self dot color, right? So let's say how this works. So okay, this time I'm gonna print um, my pet dog dot dsc dog. Okay, let's run this. Your dog is lab and of color black. See, that's how it will take the objects. I hope this explained how we define classes, how we define functions inside the classes. So, hope this video helped, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do it because there's more informational videos coming for you. Thanks for watching.